In the last few months, I've been at all of these three campuses, the campus of IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta, and let me tell you, these three top IIMs have a different vibe, a magical vibe at their campus, which is what I wanted to bring to you. So I shot a vlog at all of these three campuses wherein I compared them across various things, and this is a snippet from that large vlog which I had created. I hope you'll enjoy it and you'll learn more about what happens at the campus of IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore and IIM Calcutta. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and I help MBAs create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. So go ahead and watch this vlog, and I'm sure that you'll be surprised to know a lot of things about the campus. Now the next important factor is, how is the campus like? What is the campus like? How do you feel it? Now I am at IIM Calcutta right now. This is what IIM Calcutta is. This is a representation of the Howrah Bridge, it seems almost. There is no way to compare the campuses, but I'll still make an attempt. I don't want to offend any alumni. This is only my opinion, and it's not just about that, because there is actually no way you can compare. Now, IIM Calcutta has lakes. Some of the lakes are beautiful, some of the lakes are very average, I would say that in fact. But IIM Calcutta lacks in infrastructure quality. I'll have to admit this, because there is a lot more which can happen at IIM Calcutta. If you see the old hostels, if you see the old academic blocks, if you see the library, a very important part. I mean, I made an entire vlog on this library at IIM and also at IIMC. I believe I'll upload that vlog. All of these places require an infrastructure upgrade. So IIM Calcutta, out of the three of them, is probably not at par in their infrastructure. They're not doing a good job with their infra. Sure, IIM Calcutta gets you great placements and everything. It would be a great experience, and obviously every alum likes their own campus. I mean, no alum would say that your campus hamara acha nahi hai. Even, I am from IIM Udaipur. Even when our campus was half made, even then I used to be like, this is the campus I love. So it's just about that. But an outsider's perspective on this is going to be that IIMC's campus is not at par. You must see all of my vlogs from IIM Calcutta, all of my vlogs from IIM Bangalore, all of my vlogs from IIM Ahmedabad for you to actually experience the campus. How about you? Write down in the comments that what is your opinion about what the campus is. Now, when it comes to the campus, I mean, what should I even say about the IIM Bangalore campus? If you've been following all of my vlogs, if you've subscribed, then you would have seen all of my IIM Bangalore vlogs and the campus. Let me tell you this hands down. So while for IIM Calcutta, I told you that yes, there are a lot of issues in the campus. It could have been upgraded significantly. At IIM Bangalore, I can say it hands down, this is probably the best campus across A, B and C. That is what I feel. It's what my experience is. Probably I've not been able to show you around the entire this thing in my vlogs. I tried as hard as I can, but I can still say what you will feel when you will be here is much higher than what you can feel in a vlog or anywhere else. This is a different experience. IIM Bangalore has the best campus. One of the things, why am I saying that it is the most amazing one, is this thing, that it is a good balance of the buildings as well as the greenery. It's a perfect mix of the two things. Whereas at IIMA, you'll see it's more of the iconic structures. Whereas at IIMC, there is a lot more which IIMC can do. You would have seen it in my vlogs. If you haven't, go ahead and check out my vlogs from IIM Calcutta. But IIM Bangalore, hands down, the best campus. What should I even speak about the iconic campus at IIMA? I mean, as you can see, I'm at the LKP, the Louis Kahn Plaza here at IIMA, and this is obviously a very iconic campus. If you would have seen my entire vlogs from IIMA, I have an entire set of vlogs, some 7 to 8 vlogs from IIMA, in which I've shown you around the entire place. In my opinion, while I will still say that yes, IIMB is hands down the most beautiful campus among ABC, IIMA is a very close second to that, very close. I mean, IIMA is as iconic as an IIMB. However, the only reason why probably an IIMB is half inch above an IIMA in terms of the way it feels at their place is only because IIMB has done a fantastic job to preserve their campus. I mean, they have no space to expand, whereas IIMA had all the space to expand, and probably that is why IIMA was not able to preserve this part, and this part is now entirely closed. So this old campus side is now entirely closed except for obviously the VSL, the Vikram Sarabhai library. So that is what I really like about IIM Bangalore, that not only their campus is green, lush green, very vibrant campus, but they've done a fab job of preserving it up till the end, which is somewhere, IMA should have also done well. So for me, it has to be IMB at the first spot, then a close second is going to be IMA, and then IMC. Well then, I hope that this vlog gave you a lot of understanding of what happens inside IIM's A, B and C. My idea was to bring out the nuances which you may not find elsewhere. I hope I've done my job well. Let me know that in the comments down below. And also, my next vlog, the next snippet, is about a very important thing. How are the placements at IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta? I mean, we know that they are great, but let's compare the three campuses and understand what happens over there. Stay tuned for that. Thank you and goodbye.